Meet Luke, 28 years old and deeply committed to his smartphone. Even though the relationship is really serious, Luke has no interest in technical data, pixel number or processor speed. All he knows is that his smartphone must keep up with him and never, oh never, drag him down. So, how could we encourage Luke to substitute his current smartphone if he's not the tech spec type? To make things worse, Luke appears to be ad blind, even though he's bombarded with commercial messages. Fortunately, it's hard to ignore the rain when your smartphone is not waterproof. So, when it rained, we displayed ads about the Galaxy S7 being waterproof. And when Luke's battery went low, up went a message about the Galaxy S7's fast charge function. And just in case Luke's photos looked far from perfect due to poor lighting conditions, what a pity, we displayed an ad about the S7's camera, which takes brilliant photos even when the light conditions are pitiful. And what if there's not enough disk space? That's the perfect moment to communicate the extra big memory card. So, that's how we encouraged Luke and the likes of Luke to take notice of the new Samsung Galaxy S7. Did it work? Well, we reached over 600,000 unique smartphone users despite very precise targeting. Our CTR average was 3.74% with a maximum of 8.22%. Average session time was 1 minute and 30 seconds. Interaction rate 6.67%. Not bad, don't you think?